Hello guys, how are you? I hope all you are fine and absolutely just become creative and innovative as I said by each and every video. Why I'm telling you these 4 or 5 things? Look guys, now in the next 4 or 5 years, I'm giving you a very reality check. First of all, no one will see your degree. Okay, no one will see which school or college you prepared. No one will see how intelligent and sharp you are. Look, all the company will need only and only skills, and this is the right now situation. I'm telling you, there are a lot of students which have a lot of degree. I mean, they are topper in school, in college, and they have a DU MAT degree, but all are just useless. Why? Because in school and in college there are a major problem was there that no one will teach you to skill. No one no one care. I mean, why is China is far behind us? Why is China is far behind us? Just because they teach their student skill. Okay, in China, in 5 or 6 class, student learn all the things. I mean, upgrade the skill. That's why they won in Olympic in a over 200 medals, gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal. That's why China is far better than us, because they value the skill, they value the talent. Look at their road. Look at, I mean, now we, if in the next 10 years, I really don't think so. Even America won't catch the China. Even America, I'm telling you, even America won't match the China. So that's why I'm telling you a very secretive things, that just upgrade your skill. Okay, focus on your skill, focus your ability and talent. If you have a skill and your talent, even look, I was drop out in second year. Yes, I'm telling you, I was drop out in a second year electrical engineering. I was drop out in second year. But I'm telling you one thing, in a 1 year, not even 1 year, in a next 8 and 9th month, I know I will have a opportunity. I will create a very big opportunity. Just because all, it's up to your skill and your talent. All is just up to your skill and talent. So first of all, I'm telling you, you guys think the marks, which is the today topics, will not decide your destiny. These school marks, I mean, you know what, when I was in 5th class, what kind of teaching I have? Just first do 10th and 12th, and then your life is set. Just do your college in proper, then your life is set. After college, you had not a mind. You are a poor student. You were very undisciplined, unsocial behavior. You have a problem. I mean, look, these all are just trap. I mean, look at in Delhi, in this, you know what LKG and UKG and these all are. I mean, so continental school. Yes, we can say now continental school. What's their charges? 50,000, 60,000 LKG, UKG, and what they are teaching there? Just because A for apple. I mean, there is a toy which like apple. B for banana. I mean, so they just show the kid, oh, this is banana toy. Oh my god, look at their mindset. Look, this is just a trap. Okay, and who playing this trap? Look, always powerful men play this trap, just because they want to just rule the world. Yes, they want to rule the world. They want to rule the society. They want to rule all the poor people, hungry people. That's why they create this kind of setup where a poor will always be poor and rich will always be rich. It's just a trap. You have to step out this illusion. Otherwise, people who committed suicide, you know what? There are lots of cases which I heard every day in newspaper. I mean, who drink drink, who drink poison, who was hanging the fan, all because they just stuck. They just stuck. So you have to step out your mind. Your mind is the solution of everything. Only this can be save you. Otherwise, all these I'm so never look. I was in fifth and sixth. I mean I took study very seriously. I mean I really don't know, but okay. There is a habit which I can say hard work was in my blood always. So yes, now I am on my way, and I know soon or later I will catch my target, and I will live life exactly what I want. Okay, but don't take this 8th, 10th, and these all are marks very seriously. I mean, look, I'm telling you, just give me a reality check. Where these all are their student which you seen then in school. I mean, oh, he is a 10th merit. Oh, a 10th merit all his district, he is number one, 99%. Where are they? Where are they? Thousand of name, thousand, not thousand, over, I mean, 10,000 name I am heard. I really don't know where they are. Where they are. Yes, they are doing 40,000, 35,000, 30,000 salary. Yes, and and society call them brilliant. Society call them brilliant. And you know what they're doing to abroad when they're going to London and America? They just wash the car. I'm giving you a reality check. I have friends who live in London and America. They just tell me what kind of situation. So these all are bright students. All these are bright students. You know what? Discipline, manners, time to time, A to Z. These kids are. And you know what? The biggest problem what is in the kid, they really don't know how to talk in men. They really don't know how to talk in a man. I mean, if 10 or 15 people, 10 men will put your button, put your collar and do, hey, sale yahan kaise aaya? Then what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You are doesn't matter. You are a very bright student, 99%. What you gonna do? So just build your aura. That's why I'm telling you. These all are things. And look, this thing will not, no one will tell you. No one will tell you this thing. Okay? Only I am telling you this thing because I am getting through of it. I am getting through of it with my experience. Okay? So don't take this 8th, 10th and 12th marks very seriously. Don't take this seriously. Look, I am giving you a very good suggestion. If you just follow, just after school, don't go to, just go to college 1 year or 2 years. Then left the college. Don't waste your life anything anywhere. Just build yourself, build your aura. Because end of the day, your aura will save you. Your aura will save you. no one will save you. Okay, so yes, I hope that today you just like the content, and look, if you are think you are learning and keep growing, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.